Hey and welcome back, guys. Bitcoin is here at a really dangerous point right now. So we definitely have to cover this today. So definitely stick around here and don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these really important updates, especially on a day like this where Bitcoin might do something crazy. So now let's get here directly into today's content. First of all, I want to talk about the daily chart. And here you can already see this is not looking good at all for Bitcoin right now. We see here an established downtrend over the last 3 days already on the daily candles. So, and I can really imagine that we see here tomorrow or after tomorrow quite a big move to the downside, because the Bitcoin price is not able to break above this diagonal downwards trending line. So if we want to break above that, that would be still around $19,935, close to 20k, where we have to get above so that the Bitcoin price could actually make an attempt to move here higher. So when we go here into the lower time frames on the 4-hourly, we can see that we had here this symmetrical triangle where Bitcoin was bouncing up and down in between, and now we have broken down out of it. So, and that is another indication for me that we might have to be ready for a further move here to the downside. So, and if we measure the technical target for this, so then we see the technical target would be once again around $18,700. Was what I am already saying for a couple of days, that might be here the next viable move for Bitcoin to the downside. So obviously I don't like to see that, because I know a lot of people will lose money, so, and it will devalue their portfolio, because with Bitcoin everything else is moving to the downside. So I definitely don't want to see that, but on the other hand, it gives us another opportunity to buy a Bitcoin, maybe for the last time, around $18,000, or between $18,000 and $19,000. Another indication why I believe that a bigger move to the downside might be brewing here is how the stochastic RSI is looking. So when we see the stochastic RSI getting a buy signal like this and then zigzagging here along the red line, that is normally not a good sign for the stochastic RSI. That is then an indicator that I would not trust anymore for an upwards move. Because most of the time what is happening is that when we get here a zigzag move like this, that it just rolls over and goes down again. So, and that would be then of course put more pressure also on the price and would push it further to the downside, in the best case scenario down and a little bit to the side. So, and yeah, that's what I see here right now, unfortunately on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. So, and we can also have a quick look on the EMA ribbons, how things are looking there, but of course they are not good. Yeah, you see today we attempt to break back into the ribbon that has 100% failed here, and we got rejected from there and got then this now on the for the 4-hourly chart quite a big move back to the downside. So, and that is just showing how much control the bears have right now here with that specific move here to the downside, and actually breaking also down from this symmetrical triangle. So when we are looking here on the 1-hourly chart, also here we can clearly see there is no good news right now, as the Bitcoin price is here eating its way more and more to the downside of that biggest support range. And I'm quite sure if we see Bitcoin going to the bottom of it, we will step through that with a potential wick, and then hopefully come back up and then continue to move back into higher levels. But that is of course right now speculation, but that we are staying for such a long time here in that whole support area here is definitely not a good sign for the immediate short-term outlook on the Bitcoin price, as much as I hate that to say so. But yeah, that's just what the chart is at least showing to me right now. So I rather tell you the truth than yeah, to bullshit you guys. So, and yeah, that's unfortunately it. So I might open a short position once we are breaking under, let's say, $19,600. There I might open a short position with a really tight stop loss, because if we hit the bottom we could immediately see a bounce back to the upside. So, and I want to protect myself here. So, and yeah, if I open a short position I might put then a stop loss around $19,800. So there's a $200 spread, that's 1%, more or less. So, and that's absolutely fine for me. So I will not trade like with a crazy amount on this short. It's more like a scalp short position that I'm gonna open, and my target would be then all the way down here at $19,200. So that would be then a drop of around 3%. So if you trade it with 20x leverage, so it could be a 60% profit that I could bank here. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, then go to BYBIT. There you still get $4,450 in bonuses, but only with my link. Also on BitGet, $8,000 are still available in deposit bonus with 15% discount on the fees, but also of course only with this specific link. The link is in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment just below. So let's also have a quick look here on the BLX chart. So here, that is super dangerous right now. The Bitcoin price is about, or is already out this logarithmic curve here. So, and the Bitcoin price has definitely to come back here quite quickly into this supporting range here, or the supporting line of that channel. So we were here in the past also out of this channel, but you can see here, in that case, within 3 weeks we came back into it. So I don't want to see us dropping off it, because that could actually result in a really big sell-off. So, and that is something, definitely something to watch today, that the Bitcoin price with the close of the weekly candle is actually staying above that level. But for that we need to see at least a move to $20,500, which is not quite certain in these conditions right now that we are seeing here in the market. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen here tonight with the weekly close, because this is actually the most important one to watch right now. So, and don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.